It can be easily placed in the trunk of a car and is always ready for on-site operations. Equipped with a wire feeding button, one-touch wire release. Built with a full water cooling system. There are 100 process libraries for your reference. The machine is simple to operate. All parameters can be set directly on the display screen, and power levels can be adjusted easily. It delivers fast, precise welding with easy operation. It also features cutting capabilities, making it a versatile solution for welding and cutting tasks. With its weld seam cleaning function, this machine ensures smooth, clean surfaces, improving the quality and durability of every weld. The machine allows quick switching to remote cleaning mode. There's no need for complex setup. You can easily activate the mode through the display panel, saving time and making the cleaning process more convenient and efficient. And then just remove the welding head, done in seconds. No dust box needed, and the sealed design keeps it clean. The remote cleaning function allows you to clean hard-to-reach areas with ease, improving safety and flexibility during complex jobs.